What's going on, guys? Nick Mack here, DUKEBOYZ POWERSPORTS, and today something arrived in the mail. Canam Yoshimura. What could it be? What could it be? That's right, guys. I bought an exhaust for the Maverick Sport XMR. Let's open it up. Oh, that's ridiculous. Like, it's gonna take you forever to get out. It's definitely packed in there well. Oh, here's the hardware and the mounting bracket. Oh, I get a sticker. So I got the can out. Freaking stuff is, this thing is in there, man. Like, here's the can. And now I just gotta unbury this pipe. The pipe. I can't believe this. Like kudos to Canam for packaging it so well, but the fucking shit is everywhere. Look, it's on the floor. Yeah, okay. I've been checking online for the instructions and stuff. Nothing for this pipe. Wrong. So there is instructions for Canam parts and installation online. I'm a bit of a Canam newbie, so I don't really know all the Canam stuff. So you just have to go to Canam /instructions, and it comes up. You just go to that. You go to the first one. It says installation instructions. Go to that, and then there's a 10-digit number that comes on the part box. 715 004431. And then you search it, and it comes up with the 30 amp battery holder. Hit that, and you have detailed instructions for how to install the battery holder. Canam does this so that they don't waste that much paper. But yeah, let's get back to the video. There's grommets go through here. I don't know if you can see this. The light is atrocious in my garage. There's rubber grommets to go through here, and then they have these caps that go on the end that are like metal. So you put that on, and so see how this is this way. So this faces like this, right? And they're saying just to put these bolts, like there's 3 different sets of bolts here. So these bolts here go for these, with a washer and a nut. And then you have the small one goes from this pipe here. This pipe here has a bolt hole somewhere in it, right there. You see it? That there. And that connects to the back of the can. And then these two go into the bracket that these go into here on the bracket and hold it to the bracket that's actually in the quad. So in the side-by-side, sorry. And these big washers here, they look like it has something to do with the plate that's on the original muffler for the Maverick Sport. I guess there's a muffler down here. You're probably not going to see it because it's so dark over here. So there's a bracket right here. So where that nut comes up through, I guess that's where the big washer goes. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I got it fully assembled. All right, so I got it all assembled here. So I'm gonna go through it in detail now. So these are the longest bolts that come in the kit. These ones down here. There's grommets for the base plate and everything. I showed you that. This is the smallest bolt right here that goes through to hold the pipe. And there's springs on the back right here. Spring, that's why they call it a slip-on, because it's just held on. It's just slipped in and held on by springs. And another good thing is Canam actually sends you the tool to pull the springs, which is way better than trying to get a pair of pliers on there. But yeah, other than that, looks pretty good. I can't wait to get this thing on the machine and hear it.